Everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this video, you will learn the step-by-step process of obtaining a PAC code from a Lycamobile. So whether you are switching to a new network or simply need to transfer your number. So this tutorial will walk you through the some necessary step to get your PAC code quickly and easily. So stay tuned to learn all you need to know about the PAC code process with Lycamobile. So let's start. How to get a PAC code from a Lycamobile? You can get the PAC code by contacting their Bell customer. So in method what we have to using a call. So we have to dial their number 32293#. So from your Bell phone or simply 0207 132 0322 from another phone to request your PAC code. So here are the method to using a mail. So alternatively you can email this yes at the rate lycamobile.co.uk to request your PAC code. So how to get PAC code from Lycamobile? Like they are the third method is using a messaging. So use the text to switch service by texting PAC to 65075 from your Lycamobile SIM to receive your PAC code via text message. So these are the some simple process how you have to get PAC code from a Lycamobile. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this and we will catch you in our next video.